I would like to mention at this point also, with regard to the Qadianis, that you sent an official letter and I responded that I accept your debate, and I am still waiting for you to reach out to me. That when will you come and visit me at SBC Masjid, 1 College Road, B13 9LS in Moseley, on the corner of Stratford Road. You are welcome to visit me to discuss the conditions of the debate, or in fact, no conditions. Come and sit with me and have a debate. The debate challenge has been accepted, the Qadiani sect. Also, with regard to the sect of a man known as Abdullah al-Hashim. Abdullah al-Hashim and his sect, they should know that I refuted them all the way back in 2012. There are videos available of that, and I've refuted you in my book, Navigating the End of Time. So some people were reaching out to me with regard to my refutation on the sect, the cult, people under the cult mind control of Abdullah al-Hashim.